Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And for this video, we're going to open up a toolbox of my favorite things. Let's go! Okay, so we have here Eagle Toolbox 30.5 by 15.5 by 13.0 centimeter. Quite a small toolbox. Okay, but it contains some of my favorite things, and I would say the precursor to my love for Heroclix. Okay, and we have here our Mageknight figures. Okay, so before I played Heroclix, me and my buddies, shout out to Lyndon, Miguel, Heinz, Rex, Paulo, Edric, and everyone else. Okay, I cannot name all of you guys, but we used to play this fantasy tabletop game we call Mageknight. Okay, so and I've been hooked to the concept of dials even before Heroclix. This game also utilizes dials, although you can see it's an old dial, so it's a bit hard to turn the figures. Okay, but for some reason it just died out, I guess, and the shift was to get Marvel related products. Therefore, Heroclix remained strong, whereas Mageknight faded its way to oblivion, I guess. Okay, but I know that there are some Mageknight communities in Facebook. I'll probably put the links in description. Okay, because I'm part of that group, both the community and the buy and sell group. Okay, so but it's always nice to look back at some of the history and what contributed and led me to the game of Heroclix. Okay, so I'll put it on the side so we can see some of the figures. My team before was Atlanteans. Okay, those are the technology heavy clan or faction. Okay, so and they are the antagonists, I think, of the story. Okay, so I remember Lyndon is more of the undead group. Okay, forgot what the undead group is called. And then he's also the black powder guy. Okay, as well as the orcs guy. Okay, so Lyndon really has a lot of Heroclix. So, and then Heinz is more of the solo navi. Okay, I also like the knights team, but unfortunately I sold off most of my Mageknight and only kept my uh, Atlanteans. Okay, so the Atlanteans, actually, there's the symbol for the Atlanteans. Okay, yeah, so there are like team bases here. These are the black powders. Sorry if I'm butchering the names. And these are monsters. Okay, this is one of my favorite character, Wyvern. I remember this character because of the poison it has. Okay, so that lets me win a lot of matches. Okay, so and who wouldn't like that sculpt? Take a look. Okay, so the sculpt of Mageknight was much better compared to the Golden Age Heroclix figures, but as of now in modern history, the Heroclix figures is definitely way better than Mageknight figures. Okay, so this is Wyvern, one of my favorite. We also had the 2x2 before. This the Living Ballista. This from the Elves, if I'm not mistaken. We even had the 2x4. I used to have that battering ram from the Atlanteans, but I sold it off as well. These are the orcs. Okay, indicated by the sword. Specifically, this is Crutch Dart Catcher, 51 points. Okay, and it has the same mechanics as Heroclix: movement, attack, defense, and damage, as well as range. Okay, but the range is limited by the line of sight. So this is the line of sight. So this has a 30, 40, 40, 90 degree line of sight. Okay, sorry for that. Whereas this one has a bigger line of sight because again of the bigger base. Uh-huh. This one is a peanut base. So you can see it has a 90 degree, 180 degree line of sight. This comes with wings. Let me see if I still have it. Yeah, I still have the wings here. Okay, so just like the Pegasus Captain America, the wings are detachable. For this one, there's the undead faction, as I said. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Do I have some elves? Yeah, I have some elves here. The knights. Okay, because I always use the Elf at Arms team before. Okay, I remember against Rex uses a lot of Draconums as well. Okay, Amsan Drac. Have a lot of stories there. Yeah, this is the Elf at Arms. I used like 4 of this before, but now I think I only have 1. Okay. And we even have like custom Heroclix. Okay. Although this one is in terrible shape. This is Amazon Blade Mistress. Okay, with that tattoo over there. And painted red and brown, red and gold, bronze rather. Okay, so a lot of figures here. I wouldn't go and through all of them. Just the notables I remember. The flag bearer, yeah, the standard bearer. This one carries the Elf at Arms. Okay, so what else? Where's my favorite monster? Oh, did I say? Yeah, this one. This one is my favorite. Shade. Okay, so Shade is my favorite harasser. Okay, at 16 points. So very odd number of points. It was hard to build a team. Have to learn math. And of course, special highlight to my favorite character and the one that I keep in good condition compared to others, which is the Beta Magus. Okay, so this is the only, I guess, meta figure that I had. Okay, and this led me to love the Atlanteans. If you can take a look at the dial, 8 movement, 12. I think this is penetrating psychic blast, something similar to that. And then we have leadership, and the green color means it's the starting dial. Okay, and 12 range, 2 targets. So with an 180-degree view. Okay, so he often becomes the central figure and main attacker in my army. And then he just gets enhanced and things like that. Okay. The Mage Knight, of course, uses map, but not the grid type map compared to Heroclix. It uses more as an open map, and then we add terrains. Then we use measuring tape to measure the range. Okay, so that's why it's going to be a bit subjective at times whether you're reached by the range or not. Okay, so I guess that's one of the things that was needed to improve in Mage Knight, but I don't know if they improve on it or not. Okay, but nonetheless, happy to share with you guys this collection of mine. Okay, so Magus for the win. Okay, always nice to see my favorite character. Okay, so Blah, okay, is my name in Mage Knight. So old figures like this doesn't have a card, and you can put a sticker and then for identification, especially if you and your opponent are using the same figures. Okay, so that's it. Share your thoughts on the comments, guys. Have you played Mage Knight before? If so, what are your fond memories of Mage Knight? And are you playing Heroclix because you miss Mage Knight and you're looking for a similar game? Okay, so I would say I'm hoping that there's a resurgence of Mage Knight figures that can be compatible with Heroclix. Okay, so crossing fingers that we see Magus in modern Heroclix game. Okay, so until next time, bye bye!